Hello, dear children. How are you all? Today we will write two letter words of vowel sound. Okay, so let's begin. Vowel sound two letter words A, E, I, O, U. First is at, app, an, add, am. Next is E. This is in, at, add, app, egg. Next is I. I is E. Ig, it, ip, im, if. Next is O sound word. Om, odd, ox, og, on. Last is U. Use is a. At, of, ad, up, un. Finish. A, E, I, O, U. ये थे टू लेटर वर्ड with vowel sound. Thank you for watching.